Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon here every single Friday. I'm Jenna Lieber with Turnkey Product Management, the Amazon expert. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell.
Hey guys, it's Jenna. Today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit today about a feature on Amazon called Amazon Live. So chances are, as shoppers on Amazon, which I'm assuming if you're a seller on Amazon, you're probably a shopper on Amazon, you have most likely already seen Amazon Live in action, but might not have known that's what you were looking at. So some areas that you can see Amazon Live are on detail pages. You can see them on the home page. You can see them on the deals page. They really are scattered throughout Amazon. So essentially what Amazon Live is it is a live stream that is located in several locations on Amazon. And like I said, it can appear on detail pages that the product that you're talking about on the live stream belongs to, as well as just various placements across the actual website on Amazon.com, as well as the mobile app. So you also can see it on Amazon.com/live. And also on the mobile app, there's a section called Amazon Live. So essentially what's really cool about this feature is it's a really great way to connect with your customers, kind of in a way you've never been able to on Amazon, right? Obviously, connecting with your customers on Amazon has always been incredibly challenging because you don't get their email, you don't get their phone number, you don't get these things. So it definitely makes it challenging and kind of almost puts you in a space where you feel like you can't connect with that customer. So basically, why you can use Amazon Live, or why you would want to use Amazon Live, is really to connect with your customers in real time. So basically, while you are streaming on a given product, a customer can actually shop your products with ease. So it actually will allow them to shop that product. It'll be next to your live stream for them to purchase your product. And what's really cool is during that Amazon Live, you can actually offer them a specific Amazon Live promotion if you would like. That will basically allow them to purchase products with the discount, kind of rewarding them for taking the time to watch your Amazon Live. You can also talk to customers directly. You can answer questions. You can ask for feedback. There's a few things that you can do within Amazon Live that really helps you just connect with them a little bit more. So, as far as this feature goes, what should be in your Amazon Live, right? Like that's really a big question because this is such a new feature and really not something that everybody's doing. So in terms of figuring out what you want to be in your Amazon Live, I would suggest doing a competitor analysis. So very similar to what we talk about with Amazon listings, go ahead and see what your competitors are doing. Go ahead and see what people in your niche are doing. Go ahead and watch Amazon Lives that interests you. How can you replicate it? How can you make it your own? How can you put your little brand spin on it? That's really what you're looking for at the end of the day. So, excuse me. So essentially, that's what you want to look for. You want to check that out, see what people are doing in your niche, see what interests you, so you can go ahead and go and create your own Amazon Live. Now, obviously, one part that I just mentioned is that this isn't something that everybody's doing. And some people, when they hear that, they're like, well, then why should I do it? Right? That is a lot of the times the mentality that people do. But one thing I want you to keep in mind is Amazon Live is an opportunity for you to get in front of people you would not have necessarily gotten in front of if you hadn't have taken the chance on this strategy. Now, is this strategy going to be a slam dunk for you? I don't know. It's going to depend on the type of products you have, who your demographic is. It's really going to depend brand to brand. But that's why it's worth your time. Test it out and see if this is something that you would like to use in your business. I understand Amazon Live is going to be time consuming. I understand that content in general is time consuming, let alone going live is time consuming. I know that's a little extra step there. But it's worth doing a few tests to see, are we getting new customers? Are we getting new people trying out our brand? Are people interacting with our Amazon Lives? Are our competitors doing Amazon Lives? It's worth the look to see, is this something that we should be pursuing? Now, one really great thing you can do to take Amazon Live to the next level is if you are brand registered, you are able to boost your post. So if like, again, you have to be brand registered, but it's very similar to Facebook and how they can boost their posts there as well, right? So I want you to think of it from that perspective. I know you, but I know you guys are all business owners, and you probably already know what boost your posts means. But for those of you that don't know, boosting your post is essentially putting advertising behind a given post that will boost it to get in front of more customers. That's what we would look for. So this is just, again, another opportunity. Not everybody's doing it. So if you take advantage of Amazon Live, you can even take it a step further and you can boost that Amazon Live through your Amazon advertising. And so just another really great opportunity to get in front of those customers. Now, the way Amazon Live works is it is filmed through your phone. You're going to have to use an iPhone. So if you don't have an iPhone, make friends with somebody that has an iPhone to be able to do this. So right now, only for iPhone, it's called the Amazon Live Creator app. It's something you just download from their app store. It's completely free. Creating an Amazon Live is free. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Creating an Amazon Live is completely free. The only time it's going to cost money is if you boost your Amazon Live. So Amazon Lives are only they are only available for 48 hours, meaning your video will expire after 48 hours. But essentially, you'll use that Amazon Live Creator app to create your Amazon Live. And again, it'll be available for 48 hours. And then you can go ahead and boost that post. What's really great about boosting your posts is for those of you that don't have video advertising at your disposal, you can look at this Amazon Live as a way to get video advertising, right? Where you can get in front of people. Everyone knows that video advertising is currently the strongest piece of Facebook advertising. Statistically, that is what draws people attention, is those quick videos. So Amazon Live can be a really great option for you guys to try out to see if that works out really well. Now, as far as next steps, what should you do? I want you to go to amazon.com/live and check out those lives. See if it's something that fits in your niche. See if this is something people in your niche are doing, and just see if it's something you're interested in adding to your strategies. Right now, again, I know this isn't going to be a slam dunk for everybody. We understand that some of you guys, this might not make sense for the demographic you're dealing with, and that's perfectly okay. But for those of you that are on the fence, maybe it's, your niche does work, but you're just not sure. Try it out, right? Try it once or twice. Just see if you can get in front of new customers. See if this is a great avenue for you to get new to brand customers. Boost the post. Try it out. See what happens, guys. Because like I said, it's something that not everybody is doing. And when you have situations like that, that is the time to truly take advantage, right? Because if not everybody's doing it, that means you're going to get more eyes on your Amazon Live, meaning more eyes on your product, and it will be a win for you for sure. Other than that, that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next week.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Turnkey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.